The reality is culture can't be forced. What we came to find is we had a natural culture within the company, and how could we figure out a way to excel that and keep that going without it feeling like it was forced.
The culture at Orases is a living, breathing entity. It starts with the values are in place, it starts with supporting those values, and then it's the team members that really start to dictate what your culture is. One of the things that I wanted to do is really see what do these values mean and how are we using them to guide our decisions.
Values bring an organization together. They are essential to help us through the difficult times. Together, we've created the values of drive, demonstrate thoughtful communication, rise to the occasion, integrity all the time, value to the client, and excel at your craft.
These values started in different ways, but in reality, it was also part of the team at that time.
Our team is the most important thing about this company, and we treat everyone the way that we would treat our family.
I've been with companies that paint them on the wall and never talk about them again. What values have to be is actually a way of checks and balances with your decision. Every decision you make needs to be in alignment with those 5 things to make sure that we are staying in alignment with the things that are truly important to us. Orases is a good example of what actually happens when you put those things into place.
A lot of the things that we do actually come out of the team suggesting things.
Our culture here is so diverse. Everyone brings themselves to this company, and every person has different passions.
We created what's called a Fun Squad, the group of individuals at Orases that believe in the culture and the heart of the organization and want to be part of making it better. They have the opportunity, the budget, the autonomy to create events that bring us together.
We have passion events where an employee will suggest something that they're very interested in, and as a team we'll go and experience that, whether that's bowling or making a craft.
We've gone sailing, we've made sushi, we've done aerobics in the air.
We all went and learned how to fly on a trapeze and things like that, where you actually get to know your coworkers. I think that helps us collaborate more successfully on projects, and it just makes it an enjoyable place to be. The Fun Squad meets regularly. We plan what we call appreciation celebrations.
Everybody in the team contributes nominees, so they write somebody's name and write what they've been appreciative for this month.
We basically pick out a few of those nominations to read out loud, like just to share with the team individuals who they think have been excelling. You're just making them feel good because they actually are doing a good job at things.
The first time I sat in on the first appreciation night, I thought it would be like, 3 or 5 honorable mentions. It was pages of appreciations that came out just from 1 month. But it's genuine. There was real substance behind what they were saying. And I think that culture of gratitude to one another really lends itself to our collaboration as well.
The collaboration that we have amongst our groups is really healthy. We all have a vested interest in what we do, where we're going, and I really do think that that feeds our culture. When we moved to our new location, we were asked, what do we want out of our new space? Our environment, I think, is unique here because we've all had a hand in this. It has our fingerprints and our stamp all over it.
The environment that you're in really helps inspire innovation.
There's no offices. Nobody at Orases has an office. The space is designed for collaboration, mixing up different departments and different types of technology in each conference room to help make virtual collaboration easier as well as in person. If you do need to focus, there are spaces where you can go heads down and focus.
We try here to build an environment with the proper ergonomics, but most importantly, we anticipate for people's needs.
We have this thing called the Wellness Committee. We developed a weekly newsletter that gets sent out to everyone that they can read tips and tricks on being well, whether that's physical, mental, doing yoga, meditation, taking breaks, just looking at the whole well-being of a person.
Our wellness program is really inclusive and really helps make sure that our team members are feeling their best.
What makes Orases unique is the culture, and this safe environment allows people to have real, transparent conversations, both internally and also with our clients.
We've worked really hard on it over the years to make Orases a fun place to work, even when you're dealing with hard situations. Really, the basis of that is the people who work here.
We accept one another for our differences, being comfortable working hard together, playing hard together, and just being vulnerable and honest with each other.